Right, you're the bassist with the group. I know you've been together for 12 weeks. Was it a conscious decision to play music from the 60s?
Oh yes, very much so. I mean, we really love the music of the 60s, and we like the raw energy and the excitement of it. And you know,
what sort of response do you get from the audiences that you play to?
Well, up to now we get really good response, but you know we've only been together 12 weeks as it is. But you know, I think there's a trend towards the 60s music, definitely. You know, and
you think nostalgia is coming back in there? It's certainly a very sort of original sound. It's almost as it was in the 60s.
Well, that's what we try to get. We try to get the raw edge, the rough sound of the 60s.
You're certainly succeeding. Do you actually write your own material at all?
Well, Roy does actually. Very much the same sort of style as the 60s music, you know, but we're not doing any today.
Right.